Before we explore the lie that terrified the world, we must understand the truth. What is a black hole? It is not an empty void. It is a monstrous region in space where gravity's grip is so fierce that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, cannot escape. It is the ultimate expression of physical mass, bending reality itself. On January 14, 2025, the LIGO Observatory detected a monumental cosmic event, officially named GW250114, the clearest gravitational wave signal ever recorded. Over 1 billion light-years away, two immense black holes spiraled toward each other, colliding and merging into a single behemoth over 62 times the mass of our Sun. This cataclysmic event unleashed invisible ripples through the fabric of space-time, known as gravitational waves. They race across the cosmos at the speed of light, but they are whispers, not storms. They do not shatter planets, and they absolutely cannot switch off Earth's gravity like a light. But in our digital age, where misinformation spreads faster than light, pure scientific wonder is easily weaponized. This magnificent cosmic discovery was twisted into a global panic, fueling the virus of mass hysteria.
In late 2024, a rumor ignited across social media. Anonymous, now deleted accounts claimed a highly classified NASA document had leaked, Project Anchor. The fabricated document stated that on August 12, 2026, two gravitational waves would intersect, causing Earth to lose gravity for exactly 7 seconds. It predicted 40 to 60 million casualties from falling. It claimed the government had spent $89 billion building subterranean gravity bunkers, accessible only to the global elite. It was the perfect viral cocktail: cosmic dread, class warfare, and a ticking clock. Millions shared it. Panic ensued. But the entire narrative was a calculated illusion. Let us dismantle the lie with pure physics. Gravity is not a switch that can be turned on and off. It is an intrinsic property of mass. For Earth to lose its gravity, the planet would have to instantly lose its entire physical mass, its very core. Furthermore, gravitational waves travel at the exact speed of light. They arrive at the same moment we detect them. It is physically impossible to predict their arrival 5 years in advance. And the final nail in the coffin? NASA does not even study gravitational waves. That is the job of the LIGO and Virgo observatories. The hoax creators didn't even Google the right space agency. But why did the scammers choose August 12, 2026? Because they needed a visual spectacle to sell their fear. On that exact date, a massive total solar eclipse will cross from the Arctic down to Spain. The sky will naturally turn pitch black during the day. The engagement farmers hijacked a beautiful, predictable astronomical event, twisting the momentary darkness into a false sign of the apocalypse. The 2026 Project Anchor hoax proves that the greatest threat to humanity isn't falling into the sky, it is falling for the algorithm. The virus is manufactured in dark server rooms, generating automated panic for profit. Arm yourself with knowledge, subscribe to Veiled Reality Docs, and break the illusion.